So this is the lift motor. We think this is, what did you say?
Probably 60s.
60s. And then well, I'll go around this side so you can see. I know nothing about lifts, but I know there'll be people interested.
Yeah, I kind of learned a lot about it.
This is the original control modules. So these are all like relays and things, aren't they?
Yep. Contactors and relays.
Yeah. Get the light in the right place. Okay, and then it's refurbished, so it's all
Like Arduino based controller.
yeah, modern electronics.
And it's funny, you see how nice this looks, and then it connects to the original spaghetti monster.
Yeah. And then we'll go in the cabin because the cabin is like original. Thank you.
Yeah. I'll probably dress this up with laminate as well. Just to make it look like it's from this century. So the interesting thing about this is it's actually designed to go into the basement.
Right.
Alright, so this is ground floor, but then the basement is like a full floor. It goes under the entire building.
This is the lift when it went into the basement. I'll try and show you a clip looking through that window. But, down here just looks
Welcome to Mordor.
very abandoned. Can we open the door just to demonstrate? It's
So this is the result of like 52 apartments giving zero shit.
yeah.
And it's on my to-do list to make something about it.
But hey, the lift works now, which it didn't last time.
Well, it took 10 months. It took 10 months to